hybrid semi-modular synthesizer with 24 digital sound engines. Nice. Analog ladder filter, 32-step sequencer, and 16 voice polychain. So let's take this bad boy out of the box and have a look, shall we? Plastic broken open, so we can get it out. Oh, she looks lovely, doesn't she? Temporary upside down. Just trying to get this packaging off. It looks like it's been melted on. Wow. Silicon. Do not eat. And there we have it. Nice. These are all the different engines to choose from. And you've got bank A, bank B. The light colours change for the top or the bottom. And a nice little patch bay to make some seriously good changes to the sound. I'm gonna have that sunk with this. As soon as I get my stand, then yeah, we're gonna have a nice little bit of noodling fun. As for other Behringers, I'm not gonna bother, I don't think, with the other ones. I think this one's gonna be enough to occupy and keep the fun going. I've also got my Minilog XD and yeah, quite a lot of my other synthesizers that I can use with these two. So yeah, these are definitely the only two synths that I think I'm more than happy to keep going. Anyway, soon we shall have a video with these two linked up. So hold tight, and we'll be soon pumping out some weird waveforms using this modulator thing. Can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching.